to be admin on Viber group. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Viber on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on the message icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, which will open all your contacts. Here, click on New Group at the top. Then select the contacts you want to add group members in. Now select Auto Contacts and press on the arrow at the bottom right. After you've created a group, you can click on the group and then click on the group's name at the top. Here, you'll find all these options. Click on Add Me as an admin. If you have created a group, to be an admin, you will need to create a group, or if somebody's admin, they can simply give the role of admin to you as well. After you do this, you're good to go. This is how to be admin on Viber group. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.